Hello guys, in this video I will try just to encourage people to have patience. Now, trading by itself is easy and simple. That's why when you go to other channels or you go to other books, you will find that it is all mixed up. The chart, when you see it, it's all full of lines, clouds, drawings, lines over like horizontal, vertical, clouds. I don't know what's this. Now, because most of the traders, they think that these indicators they use or moving average, they will give them money, which is not true. All these indicators that you see are small strategies, and when you mix all these strategies together, you will have a problem. Now, that's why people, when they begin to trade, they lose money because they are always confused about the direction of the stock. Is it going up or is it going down? And a lot of people, they ask me when they send email, they say, oh, whenever I buy a stock, it goes down. I say, because how do you search a stock is false. That's why you always find the end of the trend, and then when you buy, the stock will go down. Okay? Now, there are many ways to search. That's why I made my subscription for those who just don't know or have never searched in a simple way. Okay? Now, so doing what you call hit and miss always will make you lose a lot of money. I have seen a lot of traders who are beginners. They have never traded, and what they do at first is to take a training. Either take my training or take the other people's training. It doesn't matter for me. But for me, what I want to show you, that if you are a beginner, without adequate and simple training, you will lose a lot of money. This money that you spend on your training is part of your expenses. Instead of losing 1,000, 2,000 in 6 months or 1 year or whatever you lose, if you take this training, at least you will never lose that much money. Okay, and you begin just fixing your problems month by month until you make money, because trading stocks is just a game. It has nothing to do with companies and news and CEO and the other. If you are interested in those things, you should be an investor. For example, you buy a stock to stay 10 years or 20 years or 30 years or for life. But trading has nothing to do with the company itself. It's just something that you buy, it goes up and goes down. If you know how to enter and how to wait and how to exit, you will make money. Okay? It's so simple. For me, the way I do business, the way I train people, and the way I do my training levels by videos is just to make them like go from one level to the second level with simple things. The only thing I use is lines, where I buy the resistance line, the support line, and the stop loss. Okay, that's it. What I've used. I would never use indicators, other things, clouds, and everything is calculated by you according to your risk tolerance. Now, I encourage you to do my subscription. Just an example, you try it only 1 month, okay, and then if you don't like it, or you see that it is not what you are looking for, just cancel. That's it. Now, in order to become a professional trader, you need time and skills. You should learn, and you should do a real trading, because a lot of people, they say to me, oh, I have done what we call a virtual account and I'm having 10% or 20%, it's very good. I say no. This you do it at first, but in real trading you should buy, because when you buy real money and then your feelings comes to your business, and we will have problems. For example, when you buy, let's say you have 20,000 or 10,000 or 50,000 and you throw it in the stock and the stock is against you, what you should do? Okay? Now, because you are scared, you see a loss of $1,000 or $2,000, you are so scared, and you go and you come and you become paralyzed, handicapped, you can't think, and you begin just to hope that the stock will go back to your money, and then you sell. You don't want even to have profit. Okay? You don't even wait to win. This is the beginner's ideas about trading. Okay? Now the professional, because they have the habit and they are disciplined, before they buy a stock, they do a plan. Okay, I'm buying here. Excuse me. They say, for example, I'm buying at this price. I put my stop loss here because I can't give the market more than I can afford to lose. Okay? And then if the stock goes up, I will leave it until I see a sign that the stock will never go up again. You can see it. These are the skills that you should learn, and these the skills that I am offering, okay, through the training or through the membership subscription. Now, a lot of people, because they are not prepared to trade, and because they want just they heard a lot of things about trading, that people become millionaires and something, and he wants to try. But after 1 month or 2 or 6 months or 1 year, he loses a lot of money. He sell everything. He shut down his account, and he go to his job. That's it. Now this is I'm not saying a coward behavior, but it is just because people they lose faith in their abilities to learn. Because whatever is your education, either you are PhD or you are pushing carts in stores, or wherever you are doing, or construction thing, or whatever you are doing, you have an intelligence to make money from the market, because the market is just a simple game. A simple game. Now, in order to make a summary of this game, what is it? You buy a stock wherever is your entry. I'm not speaking about where to enter or where to exit. This is the bottom line. You buy a stock. If it goes up, stay. If it goes down, begin to eating your money, exit. That's it. You say, oh, it's easy. Yes, it is easy, but you can do it. Because when it becomes, the stock will becomes to go down, you wait. And then you have a big loss. And I have just made a video before this one explaining that if you do a big loss, you will never be a professional trader. Why? Because you are losing too much, and you can't experience trading when you stay little. In trading, you should stay years. You train yourself. You lose a little money here and there, but you make money in some stocks. So you are not typically you are not losing that much money. But the more you understand the game, the more you get money from the market. And then when you know how to trade, what's the problem? Is money. You want more money to trade. Okay? This is another problem, that when you reach that level of proficiency and you become professional trader, what's the thing that you need? You need money to make more money. If you have 100,000, it's better than to have 10,000. If you have 500,000 in your account, it's better to have 100,000. This is the power of money. You can buy wherever you want. You can do whatever you want. You can buy stock here, which is $100, $200, $500. Then you go to buy another stock, which is $600. You don't worry about the money because you have money in your account. Now, at your stage right now, when you have $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, or $20,000, what you should do, you should train yourself, save more money, and trade. Okay? 1 year, 2 years, when you become professional trader, you should have more money in order to become a professional trader, and you can live from your money. in the market, you should have more and more money, and this is feasible if you save and if you continue learning. Okay, so hope this video gives you a hope that teaching yourself and learning the simple ways to trade is the most important thing. You should be patient. Okay, patient. You shouldn't be nervous, or you should have what we call psychological problems, because I have seen a psychiatrist and a psychologist in other videos teaching traders how to master the trade. But you know, for me, if you have a psychological problem, you should go, because trading has nothing to do with psychiatry or psychology. In trading, you should learn to be disciplined. Okay, learn to be disciplined. Okay, you buy a stock, you should know where to exit when things goes wrong. You should know this. You don't let it to the market. The market is doing what it is doing. They don't care about you. They don't send you an email. The market is neutral. Okay, the market is all the traders that are in the market. If there is supply, a lot of supply, the price of any stock will go down because people are selling. If a lot of people are buying and a millions of shares, a stock will go up. Okay, and as you know, we are swing traders. We follow the big guys, the big hands in the market: mutual funds, banks, pension plans, those who buy a lot of shares. That's why the market will go up. Okay, now if you are confused always on how to search for stocks, how to select them, just take my training, my subscription. Just try it for one month and just see if it's good for you. You continue. If it's not good, try another one, or search online. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just comment. If you have subscribed, thank you. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to get more information, more videos in the future. And thank you very much.